There's so much focus, so much going on in China right now. But when you look at credit and people are trying to figure out what this somewhat stronger credit really is it banks lending to each other? Is something picking up? What do you see?
Well, I think the initial take is this is the first bit of good news that we've had about the economy in quite a while. The amount of credit extended, the amount of bank loans extended in the month of June was greater than what the market consensus was, what the market was expecting. That would suggest that there is a more confidence both in households and corporates to borrow. If you dig a little bit more into that number, you see a big jump in household loans. You also see a big increase in corporate lending. The question, as you raised, Kathleen, is what are people doing with that money? If they're borrowing that money to pay back other loans, previous debt, then the help, the support that's going to provide to the economy is going to be minimal.
We're also hearing more kind of, telegraphing from influential media, right? The Securities Journal saying that we're going to potentially see more fiscal measures.
That is the big question of the moment. What more will and can Beijing do to help this economy? We've had mounting evidence that the recovery is weakening. Property is obviously a big drag on the economy. There were some support measures extended earlier this week. There is a lot of expectation that Beijing will do more. Traditionally in July, there's a Politburo meeting in which the top leaders of this country discuss the economy. That is a place where, if there is going to be big stimulus, that is where we might get news out of on that stimulus coming out from.